Swadikap.
สวัสดีครับ
Okay, today I go Pattaya
โอเค
and he take me Pattaya 1300 baht.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
ดูดิไอ้เทคยูโกปัทยาวันเท่าสั้นที่ฮันเลบาทชิปไฟ for you นะ โอเค
Sounds good.
yes
And he take you anywhere you want to go, right?
yes
Not only Pattaya.
yeah
Yeah.
floating market โอเค
And he also takes you to all these places here.
yeah
Okay.
and tiger and tiger
Tiger.
zoo พัทยา
Mekong Railway, Elephant Show,
yes
Floating Market. Very good.
very good very nice
Very good. So if you want to go to any of these places,
and floating market and tiger train market elephant village have crocodile everything
okay,
Okay.
everything. So if you want to see any of these shows, come and see.
okay okay
Okay.
see you
Okay.
bye bye see you
Bye-bye.
thank you
What's your name?
My name is
Okay. And you taking me to
Pattaya.
Pattaya,
Yes.
Jumpian Beach.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
1300 baht.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You good driver, yeah?
Yes, I know.
Okay. I make video. I show the whole world. So if you want to go anywhere from Bangkok, come and see. Come and see. Okay. He'll take you anywhere you want to go. And he's located outside of Ambassador Hotel, yeah? Every day.
yes
Okay.